So this is the Lifevac. So I'm doing this one on YouTube just to show what you should use it for. This isn't necessarily a sales video. So all transparency, obviously I do make money from affiliate links, but I want this to be more educational about when you should use it and when you shouldn't use it, more importantly. So I'll take you through the instructions and don't be afraid of, when you do get this, assembling it, getting used to it, because it's better to get used to it now than when you need it in an emergency when you're in full panic mode. So I'm going to take you through some of the instructions and give you some of the critical information. So you do get comprehensive instructions, but just to say from the outstart, you should always start with the back slap and the coughs. You should try obviously the Heimlich manoeuvre and then you go to the Lifevac. Just be aware that you also have specific mask types as well. So look at the chart that's on the book just to make sure you're comfortable with the age ranges in your house and what particular mask you should use. And make sure that you fit them just so you know how they fit. Take them apart and just get used to the overall use. So it's very simple though. I can do it with one hand here. When it's on someone's mouth, you push it down and that creates the seal, and then push it up quite quickly and that should dislodge. Bear in mind, it does say in the book, don't do it more than 5 times because you then go CPR. But you do have different sizes. You've got a test mask to try it all out with. You've got the large adult mask. You've got a small child, and the one that I had was the pediatric mask. So I hope that's helpful. Again, I just want to reassure you to get used to the thing. Don't think of it as a fail-safe, but not getting used to it in the panic stages. Hopefully I never need to use this, but at least I know how to use it in case something happens, God forbid.